Okay, now I will start the recording. We were doing the chapter rotational motion. Yesterday I showed uh, the formula for torque. Torque was equal to I alpha. I is moment of inertia. Then I derived the formula of rotational kinetic energy or K rho. The formula was half I omega square. And then I derived the formula of angular momentum denoted by L, and the formula was I omega. Every time we find I is a replacement of mass. That's why it is called moment of inertia. Moment of inertia. Inertia means mass. Inertia is measured by mass. That is why we call it moment of inertia. Okay, today we'll do law of conservation of, please write down law of conservation. Law of conservation of angular momentum. Give the heading of angular momentum. Law of conservation of angular momentum. I think previously I taught you and you already know that law of conservation of linear momentum. Here we have law of conservation of angular momentum. And the law is similar. What was the law of conservation of momentum or conservation of linear momentum? It states that the total momentum of a system, of an isolated system or of a system where no external force acts on it, remains constant. That means initial momentum of the system and the final momentum of the system, same system will remain same, will be equal. That means mv equal to constant, p equal to constant, and this mass into velocity value will remain the same. And we have discussed so many cases. I mean, explosion, then collisions, recoil of gun, so many cases I already discussed. The same is applicable here also, but this is called law of conservation of angular momentum. Write on the statement. Write on the statement. It states that. It states that. It states. It states that the total angular momentum, of a system, the total angular momentum of a system, remains constant, when no external torque, when no external torque is acting on the system. When no external torque is acting on the system. In case of linear momentum, we say when no external force acts on the system, but here we say no external torque. No external torque. Therefore, we write as therefore L equal to constant. L is equal to constant. L means I omega. I omega is equal to constant. And here we will be writing I1 omega 1 is equal to I2 omega 2. These are the relationships. This is initial angular momentum, this is final angular momentum. They will be equal when there is no external torque acting in the system or applied in the system. The total angular momentum also remains constant. Okay? And angular momentum depends on I value and omega value. It depends on these two values. Now I will give examples of the angular momentum. Okay? I will give examples. Just imagine, suppose you are having a disc of smaller radius and the disc of bigger radius, bigger disc and smaller disc. You are applying the same amount of torque. You are twisting them by same amount of torque. Which one will move faster? Which will be rotating faster? The smaller one or the bigger one? Which will rotate faster? Answer is, say, what is answer? Smaller one. Yeah, you are correct. The smaller one will be spinning very fast and the bigger one will spin slower by the same amount of torque given. Why it is so? It is so because of this fact. To conserve momentum. When the radius is less, moment of inertia will be less because moment of inertia formula is mr squared. General formula is mr squared. When the radius is less, the moment of inertia will be less, then omega will be more. That means I is inversely proportional to omega. Omega means speed of rotation also we can call it. Angular speed. Speed means, speed of rotation. If I is less, why I is less? Because of the smaller radius, then omega will be more. And when I is more, then omega will be less. Bigger disc, the radius is more, so moment of inertia is also more, so speed is less. So we can give the reason or we can find the reason from this fact. Law of conservation of momentum. Conservation momentum, angular momentum remains conserved. I give another example. It is given in the book also. A man is holding two weights. There are two weights. There are two weights in the hand of a person, and the person is on a rotating table, on a turntable like this, on a turntable. When the person brings his hand close by like this, when he brings his hand close by, he starts spinning. The person will spin now on the turntable. Why? What can be the reason behind? Same reason. Because when the mass is far away, the radius is more. But when the mass comes closer, that is, the radius is decreasing, mass is coming closer. The moment of inertia is decreasing. When the moment of inertia decreases, what will increase then? The speed of rotation will increase. And the person will start spinning. When a parachutist is jumping out of the plane and is in the air, when the parachutist closes his leg like this, when he shrinks his body, he starts spinning there in the air, and then the person will fall down after spinning. What can be the reason? The same reason. Because when the radius is less, the moment of inertia is also less, then the speed of rotation is more. To conserve the angular momentum, moment of inertia and omega are inversely proportional. When the moment of inertia is less, the speed of rotation will be more. And why moment of inertia will be less? Because radius is less. Radius is decreased. Understood? Please do respond. Okay. Have you seen sometimes in circus and also they perform this show? This fete they perform there in circus. There is a net and there will be many acrobats. They will be having swing over there. Swing is there like this. Have you seen the circus? There are swings. They hold the rod and they will be first doing this like this. They will do. We will be just taking the pins. And after that, when they jump out from one swing to the another swing, they catch, and sometimes they purposely fall down on the net. When they fall down on the net, they bring their body close and they start spinning and they fall down on the ground in that manner. I think many of you must have watched a TV program, a TV show, which was known as Shaktiman. Have you seen the TV serial Shaktiman? Did you watch? Have you ever watched the Shaktiman serial?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
watched? Yes.
Sir, watched.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your voice.
Have you watched the Shaktiman serial later?
Yes,
I mean,
sir.
ever have you watched it? Ankit?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Which one? No, sir. क्या देता हूँ?
Now what happened? This is fluctuating. Hello? Have you watched Shaktiman serial?
Yes, sir.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you have watched it. Okay. I cannot. There is some problem maybe with the Bluetooth. Yeah. Aradhya has watched it. Good. In the Shaktiman serial, or sometimes they give the ads also. Okay, I'll tell you. When the Shaktiman does his body like this, then he starts spinning and it goes up. I remember that this scene. I still remember. Am I right or wrong?
So correct.
Yes, sir.
The
Correct.
Shaktiman, when he has to go in the air, no, so he starts spinning and goes into the air. And for that, he brings his body like this. He does like this, and then he starts going up.
Yes, sir.
Please raise the hand because I can't hear because there is some problem with the volume here with the mic. Raise your hand if you understand me. All right. So this type of question we will work on the basis of conservation of momentum. Can you guess? Can you guess when the radius of the Earth? Okay, tell me which type of planet moves or rotates faster, spins faster? Which of the planets of our solar system spins faster? Do you know which one of the solar system?
Sir, Mercury.
Which of the planet spins fastest?
Jupiter. Jupiter.
Huh?
Sir,
Jupiter.
Jupiter.
No.
The Mercury.
Which has got
Sir,
which has got
Mercury.
the smaller radius? Which is the smallest one?
Mercury.
Which of the planets is the smallest?
Mercury.
Mercury.
Tell me.
Sir, Pluto.
Mercury. Which is smallest? One minute, please. Right. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Please raise the hand. Yeah. Hello. Audible? No? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Please respond. I can't hear you. One of you, please
Sir.
speak something. You know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Open. Wait. Once. Yes, please respond. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
No, yes, now I can hear you. Yes, there was some problem. Okay. So I think understood what I was explaining. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Mercury is spinning faster, rotating faster, and the reason is because the less radius, there is less moment of inertia. Less value of inertia will have more speed of rotation, and the duration of days will be shorter there because the Earth, the planet is moving faster. Same way, they ask the question. Can write one question. Write down one question. Right. What will be the duration of a day? Write one simple question. What will be the duration of a day? What will be the duration of a day? What will be the duration of a day when the earth shrinks to half of its radius? When the earth shrinks, SHRINKS, shrinks to half of its radius. Half of its radius. Okay. Can you guess? Radius is becoming half. The duration of day will be shorter or longer? Longer than 24 hours or shorter
Longer.
than 24 hours?
Long.
Longer.
Sir, shorter.
Shorter. Please think for a while and then answer. Don't apply a guesswork. What is the answer now? Your thought. Tell me the answer. Duration
Shorter.
of the day will remain the same. Shorter or longer? Who said shorter? Ankit.
Rohan.
Sir, right.
Okay, Rohan said. Good. The answer is shorter. Can you tell me the reason why it is shorter?
Sir, the earth spins faster.
Because due to the decrease in the radius, the moment of inertia will decrease and omega will increase. That is, the speed of rotation will increase to conserve the momentum. And when when speed of rotation is increasing, then definitely the duration of okay. Let us find out how many times it will be shorter. Okay. For that, what we will do, right? I1 omega 1 is equal to I2 omega 2. I will write this equation first. We are conserving momentum. Initial momentum and final momentum we are making equal. I1 formula, we can write mr square, mass of the earth. That m, first radius I write r1, right? R1 square omega 1. Here you can write m r2 square omega 2. But I'll tell you one thing, okay? Moment of inertia depends upon the shape of the body also. It depends upon the shape of the body. I just inform you that for a sphere, when the shape of the body is spherical, the moment of inertia value is 2 by 5 mr square. There is a calculation for it. There is a calculus used. Derivation of that formula you don't need. Only you have to remember the values. Moment of inertia of a sphere. Moment of inertia of a sphere about an axis passing through its center is equal to 2 by 5. So I'll write 2 by 5 mr square, 2 by 5. Though it doesn't make a difference. Because this side gets cancelled. Everything is cancelled. Now I'll write here R1 square omega 1 is equal to R2 square omega 2. The first radius I'll take as 1 unit. Second radius will be half unit. Because radius is decreasing by half. So the answer will be here omega 1. Here the answer will come 1 by 4 omega 2. That means your omega 2 will be 4 times of omega 1. Which speed of rotation will increase by 4 times. Now, but we have to find the duration of the omega will change in terms of time period. So write here 2 pi by t1. Here I write 1 by 4 into 2 pi by t2. 2 pi will go. Therefore, make t2 the subject. The t2 value will come t1 divided by 4. That is the new period of rotation is equal to 1 by 4 times of the original period of rotation. Do you know what is the period of rotation of the earth about its own axis? What is the value? What is the value of period of rotation of the earth? What is the value?
24 hours.
23 hours and something.
What is the
23 hours,
time taken? What is the
56
time taken for the earth to complete one rotation about its own axis? What is the value? You don't know.
20, 56 minutes.
23 hours. 50. 66
365 days.
4 hours, no? 24 hours. That we have T2 equal to T1 value putting 24 by 4. The answer becomes 6 hours. 6 hours. That means in that case, the duration of day will become only 6 hours. Instead of 24 hours, it will be 24 hours. It becomes only 6 hours in that case. Hope you have understood it. Done?
Not understood.
Not understood?
So
Please
why you
deep
put the
right, no
2?
problem. I'll explain to you.
So why you put the 2 upon 5?
Plus the product of mass of the body and square of the distance between them. Square of the distance between them is suppose h. The distance between the two parallel axes is h. So we'll be writing like this. Total moment of inertia at I equal to ICM plus MH square. Please write down this equation. I equal to ICM, this is ICM. Moment of inertia of the axis passing through the center of mass of the body. Center of mass of the body. Center of mass CMI, like that. This is same as center of gravity, you know. The entire mass of the body is supposed to be concentrated here. Center of mass. So about an axis parallel to a given axis but passing through the center of mass plus product of the mass of the body and the square of the distance between the two parallel axes. This line is this mathematical equation is called theorem of parallel axis. Okay, next period you have today, so then I'll give you the statement of this. Statement I'll give you the next period. Okay? So we do this much only today. I mean, for the time being.
Yes, sir.
Next period we will continue. Okay, thank you.